Everything you've been told about the YouTube algorithm is at least 2 years out of date, and it's quietly killing your channel. The post daily, stuff your tags, chase watch time advice, dead. In 2026, the algorithm changed what it's optimizing for. And if you're still playing the old game, you're invisible. So let me show you how the YouTube algorithm actually works right now and exactly how to use it. I'm going to answer the 5 questions that finally make this click. The basics you need to know, how understanding it boosts your visibility, the key ranking factors, how it decides what to promote, and how it drives subscribers and views. And I'll bust the single biggest myth most creators still believe. Stay to the end. The way the algorithm handles subscribers will surprise you. First, the basic that changes everything. There is no single algorithm. There are separate recommendation systems. One for search, one for the home feed, one for suggested videos beside what you're watching, and each weighs signals differently. But in 2026, they all share one North Star. Did the viewer get what they came for? As of early 2025, viewer satisfaction, measured through surveys, retention curves, and what people do after they click, overtook raw watch time as the primary input. So rule number 1, stop trying to trick the algorithm. Its only job is to predict what a human will be glad they watched. Make that human happy, and every system works in your favor. Here's why understanding this boosts your visibility immediately. Roughly 70% of all watch time on YouTube now comes from recommendations, home and suggested, not from search. That means most of your potential reach is the algorithm choosing to show you. And in 2026, it personalizes the home feed using behavior clusters. It groups viewers by what they actually watch, not by broad labels like tech or fitness. The practical payoff is huge. When your channel consistently satisfies one specific cluster, the system learns exactly who to show you to and reintroduces you to them again and again. So the move that boosts visibility most isn't a hack. It's consistency of promise. A focused channel is a legible channel, and a legible channel gets recommended. So what actually moves rankings? 4 signals in this order. 1, click-through rate. Your packaging earns the impression to click. 2, retention. Do they stay? The first 15 to 30 seconds are make or break, and you want over 50%. Still watching at 30 seconds, over 40% at the halfway mark. 3, satisfaction and engagement. Surveys, likes, comments, shares, confirming it was worth it. 4, metadata relevance. Title, description, and chapters, telling the system what the video is about. Notice tags barely register now. And notice the trap. A thumbnail that wins a high click-through rate but then loses people, hurts you. 15% click-through with 20% retention is worse than 5% click-through with 60%. Rankings reward the click you actually pay off. How does the algorithm decide to promote a video? Think of it as a series of tests. It shows your video to a small batch and watches the response. Are people clicking? Are they staying? Are they satisfied? If the signals are strong, it widens the audience. If they're weak, it quietly stops. Each round is a bigger test. This is why your first few hours matter and why the first 30 seconds are so critical. Early viewers are effectively your audition. It's also why niche consistency wins. When the system has a confident model of who loves your stuff, its early tests land with the right people and you pass. You're not fighting the algorithm. You're auditioning for it every upload. Now, the surprise about subscribers. The subscribe button is not the growth lever you think it is. Most of your views come from recommendations to people who may not be subscribed, and subscribing no longer guarantees anyone sees your uploads. The feed is earned per video, not granted by a subscription. So what do subscribers actually do? They're a trust signal. A strong subscribe rate on a video tells the algorithm this satisfied people enough to commit, which can boost how it's promoted. The takeaway flips the old playbook. Don't beg for subs to get views. Earn views by satisfying people, and the subs and the trust signal follow. Chase satisfaction. Subscribers are the scoreboard, not the engine. Here's the thing. Knowing how the algorithm works is one thing. Engineering for it on every single upload is another. That's what we do at JOE. 2JOE. We don't chase algorithm myths. We build for the signals it actually rewards. Packaging tuned for click-through, scripts engineered for retention, a niche focus the clusters can learn, and the analytics loop that reads each audition and sharpens the next one. We turn the algorithm from a mystery you fear into a system that works for you. Your action step? Open your last video's analytics and find your 30-second retention. Under 50%? That's your audition failing. Fix the hook first. And if you want a team that engineers every upload for the 2026 algorithm, that's exactly what we do at JOE, 2JOE. Links in the description. Stop guessing at the algorithm. Start engineering for it. See you in the next one.